Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include rear view camera, heated mirrors, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2019 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.